1. 1946 Chevrolet Pickup Custom. Price, $20,000, located Lincoln, Nebraska. This impressive 1946 Chevrolet Pickup Custom is a beautifully built hot rod truck that combines vintage styling with modern performance upgrades for an unforgettable driving experience. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, this classic Chevy pickup stands out with its aggressive stance and professionally customized appearance. Powered by a reliable 5.7 TBI Chevrolet engine paired with a smooth 4L60E automatic transmission, the truck delivers strong power and comfortable cruising performance. The custom powder-coated frame features a 4-link rear suspension with a Ford 9-inch rear end, coilovers, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a drop-tube front end from Speedway for improved handling and ride quality. Additional upgrades include a complete new wiring system, upgraded fuel system, electric cooling fans, aluminum radiator, and modern braking components. The truck already features a one-piece windshield conversion and runs extremely well. While the body still has minor dents and the interior requires finishing touches, this pickup remains an outstanding project that can be enjoyed immediately while completing the final custom details. 2. 1932 Ford Crown Victoria. Price, $17,500, located Des Moines, Iowa. This unique 1932 Ford Crown Victoria hot rod is a stunning custom build that combines classic street rod styling with strong Ford performance and award-winning presentation. Finished in a beautiful blue exterior matched with a blue interior, this vintage Vicky delivers an eye-catching appearance that stands out at every car show and cruise event. The fiberglass body sits on a well-built chassis powered by a dependable Ford 302 V8 engine connected to a 4-speed manual transmission sourced from an 80s Ford F100 truck. The vehicle also features a strong Ford 9-inch rear end with adjustable coil-over suspension and rear disc brakes for improved performance and handling. Inside, the custom cabin still requires minor finishing work but already includes a stylish 1955 Chevrolet dashboard that adds a unique hot rod personality. This classic Ford has won multiple awards and has even been featured in Hot Rod magazine, proving its quality and attention to detail. The car runs strong, drives smoothly, and offers an exciting vintage driving experience with authentic hot rod character and impressive show quality presence. 3. 1930 Chevrolet 409 Coupe. Price, $28,000, located St. Louis, Missouri. This incredible 1930 Chevrolet 3-window coupe is a serious custom hot rod built with powerful performance upgrades and classic street machine styling. Featuring a professionally chopped top design, this all-steel coupe delivers an aggressive appearance that perfectly matches its high-performance drivetrain. Under the hood sits a legendary Chevrolet 409 engine bored 30 over with aluminum heads, roller camshaft, roller rockers, and modern Phytec fuel injection for reliable street performance and strong throttle response. The engine is paired with a Tremec T56 Magnum 6-speed manual transmission connected to a McLeod clutch and QuickTime bell housing for exceptional driving control. Additional performance upgrades include a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gears and truck track posi traction, Halabrand wheels, rack and pinion steering, front drop axle suspension, and 4-wheel disc brakes. The vehicle also includes aluminum radiator cooling, shorty headers, dual exhaust with cutouts, and many high-quality custom components throughout the build. This 1930 Chevrolet Coupe is a true hot rod masterpiece built for performance enthusiasts who appreciate classic American custom craftsmanship. 4. 1932 Chevrolet Confederate Sedan. Price, $13,500, located Weaver, Iowa. This charming 1932 Chevrolet Confederate two-door sedan is a beautiful vintage classic that offers timeless pre-war styling combined with excellent originality and dependable drivability. Finished in a blue exterior with a tan interior, this classic Chevrolet still maintains much of its authentic character and historical appeal. The car features very nice chrome trim, original factory gauges, and a beautiful black leather top that gives the sedan a refined vintage appearance. The wood structure remains in good condition, which is extremely important for a vehicle of this era, while the recently installed stainless steel fuel tank and updated cloth wiring help improve reliability without sacrificing originality. This Chevrolet runs well and drives smoothly, making it a great option for weekend cruising, classic car gatherings, or restoration enthusiasts searching for a solid project with excellent potential. Although the vehicle still requires paint work, the overall condition remains very respectable and the mechanical components perform nicely. This 1932 Confederate sedan represents an affordable opportunity to own an authentic early Chevrolet classic with vintage charm, clean styling, and strong collector appeal. 5. 1932 Ford Model A Coupe. Price, $19,500, located Kearney, Missouri. This custom 1932 Ford Model A 5-window coupe is an aggressive hot rod build that combines classic Ford styling with serious Oldsmobile V8 power and modern street rod upgrades. Finished in a striking purple exterior with a chrome wrap and gray interior, this unique coupe immediately captures attention with its bold appearance and show-quality shine. Power comes from a massive 455 Oldsmobile engine that delivers impressive performance and deep muscle car sound through an automatic transmission setup. The body and frame were professionally built from a custom kit, creating a strong foundation for this one-of-a-kind street machine. The previous owner reportedly invested heavily into the chrome wrap finish, giving the vehicle a highly reflective appearance that stands out at any event or cruise night. Inside, the cabin offers comfortable seating and classic hot rod simplicity while maintaining the custom personality of the build. This 1932 Ford Coupe is ideal for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a dependable custom hot rod with aggressive styling, powerful performance, and strong visual impact on the street or at car shows. 6. 1940 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price, $45,000, located Salina, Kansas. This wild 1940 Chevrolet hot rod pickup is an extremely powerful custom street machine built for serious performance and aggressive show-stopping presence. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, this custom Chevrolet combines classic truck styling with modern drag racing performance and street-legal capability. Under the hood sits a massive 421 small-block Chevrolet engine producing nearly 800 horsepower according to the latest dyno session. The engine is paired with a professionally built TCI Powerglide automatic transmission featuring a high stall converter, transmission brake, and line lock system for incredible acceleration and drag strip performance. Built to run on 115 race fuel, this truck delivers brutal power while still maintaining legal street registration and a clean title. The body presents an intimidating stance with custom hot rod details and excellent craftsmanship throughout the build. Inside, the cabin remains clean and functional with a driver-focused layout designed for performance driving. This 1940 Chevrolet pickup is a perfect choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for an extremely powerful classic truck capable of dominating both car shows and street performance events. 7. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe. Price, $36,500, located Union, Missouri. This beautiful 1930 Ford Model A Coupe is a professionally built custom hot rod featuring classic styling, impressive horsepower, and modern street driving comfort. Finished in a stunning blue exterior with a clean gray interior, this coupe delivers an outstanding combination of vintage character and modern performance upgrades. Power comes from a strong small-block Chevrolet 350 engine believed to be from the late 80s or early 90s with mild performance modifications including headers, high-rise intake, upgraded carburetor, and custom exhaust system. The vehicle is estimated to produce around 600 horsepower and is paired with an automatic transmission for smooth driving. The chassis includes a 70s Volkswagen front end, Mustang 2 suspension, and a Ford 9-inch rear end for excellent stability and handling. Additional highlights include extensive chrome work, braided brake and fuel lines, working air conditioning and heat, and a nicely finished interior completed approximately 10 years ago. This hot rod is fully turnkey ready and perfect for cruising, car shows, or weekend driving while offering strong performance, comfort, and classic American custom car appeal. 8. 1930 Ford Tudor. Price, $22,000, located Wildwood, Missouri. This stylish 1930 Ford Tudor hot rod is a clean custom build that blends vintage Ford styling with reliable V8 performance and modern driving upgrades. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a black interior, this classic Tudor sedan offers a timeless hot rod appearance with a low aggressive stance and smooth street presence. Under the hood sits a dependable Chevrolet 327 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, creating an excellent combination of power, reliability, and comfortable highway cruising capability. The rear suspension has been upgraded with an air ride system that allows adjustable ride height while improving overall driving comfort and show quality presentation. The body presents very well with classic early Ford styling and custom hot rod touches throughout the exterior. Inside, the black interior maintains a clean appearance with comfortable seating and simple classic instrumentation that complements the overall vintage atmosphere. This 1930 Ford Tudor is a great option for enthusiasts searching for an affordable custom hot rod that offers dependable mechanical performance, eye-catching appearance, and enjoyable cruising capability for weekend events and local car shows. 9. 1932 Ford Model A Truck. Price, $16,000, located St. Joseph, Missouri. This classic 1932 Ford Model A truck is a solid custom hot rod pickup built with dependable Chevrolet power and traditional street rod styling. Finished in a clean green exterior with a brown interior, this vintage Ford truck delivers an attractive appearance with excellent old-school hot rod personality. Power comes from a strong 355 Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a reliable 700R4 automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting performance and comfortable cruising capability for both city driving and highway travel. The truck also features a 4-link rear suspension setup that improves handling and ride quality while maintaining the aggressive lowered stance expected from a traditional hot rod build. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts properly, and the truck drives very well overall according to the seller description. Inside, the brown interior complements the exterior color nicely while preserving the classic custom truck atmosphere. With a clean title, insurance already in place, and dependable mechanical condition, this 1932 Ford truck represents an affordable opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-drive hot rod pickup with classic styling and proven V8 performance. 10. 1932 Chevrolet 5-Window Coupe. Price, $34,000, located Morrison, Illinois. This outstanding 1932 Chevrolet 5-Window Coupe is a true all-steel hot rod that combines aggressive custom styling with reliable American V8 performance and exceptional show quality appearance. Finished in a striking purple exterior with a black interior, this classic coupe immediately commands attention with its professionally chopped roofline and bold street rod stance. The body has been chopped approximately 2.75 inches, giving the vehicle a sleek and aggressive profile that perfectly complements the timeless design of the early Chevrolet coupe. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine connected to a turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth performance and enjoyable cruising capability. The drivetrain is completed with a Ford 9-inch rear end featuring 4.11 gears for strong acceleration and solid highway performance. The engine has recently been refreshed and carefully gone through, ensuring reliable operation and impressive power delivery. Inside, the black interior maintains a clean custom appearance while preserving the classic hot rod atmosphere. This Chevrolet coupe runs excellent, looks incredible, and remains a true head-turning street machine ideal for shows, cruises, and serious collectors. 11. 1934 Ford F-150 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price, $26,000, located Valley Center, Kansas. This custom 1934 Ford pickup is a beautifully built hot rod truck featuring classic pre-war styling combined with legendary Cadillac V8 performance and smooth automatic driving capability. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, this custom Ford delivers a bold and timeless appearance that perfectly represents traditional American hot rod culture. Under the hood sits a powerful Cadillac 331 V8 engine known for its strong torque, dependable reliability, and classic performance reputation among vintage custom builds. The automatic transmission provides smooth shifting and comfortable driving, making this truck ideal for weekend cruising, local car shows, and long highway drives. The body presents a clean and aggressive stance with excellent hot rod proportions that capture attention from every angle. Inside, the black interior complements the exterior perfectly while maintaining a simple and functional vintage custom atmosphere. This 1934 Ford pickup combines classic truck design with upgraded performance components, creating a unique street rod that offers both collector appeal and dependable drivability. It remains an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a traditional custom hot rod truck with strong V8 power and timeless American style. 12. 1932 Ford Roadster. Price, $38,000, located Millstadt, Illinois. This beautiful 1932 Ford Roadster is a professionally built custom street rod that combines classic open-top styling with modern comfort, dependable fuel-injected performance, and high-quality craftsmanship throughout the build. Finished in a stunning blue exterior with a clean gray interior, this Roadster features a Kilborn fiberglass body paired with steel hood panels, grille, and grille shell for an authentic vintage appearance. Power comes from a reliable GM 5.7-liter fuel-injected V8 engine connected to a 4L60E automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and comfortable highway cruising capability. The vehicle also features height-independent front suspension, rack and pinion steering, stainless A-arms, front disc brakes, and a 4-bar rear suspension with coilover shocks for excellent handling and ride quality. Additional features include vintage air heating and air conditioning, tilt steering column, custom steering wheel, AM/FM stereo system with CD changer, polished aluminum wheels, and a custom trunk release system. This roadster offers outstanding craftsmanship, dependable drivability, and timeless street rod style perfect for collectors, weekend cruising, and major classic car events.